Hello everyone, once again you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Valeriano Christine is my name. I've been taking you through the features of Google stuff, Google. This time round I'm going to take you through mail merging. Mail merging, most of us have heard about mail merging. When you hear mail merging, it means mail merging is the process that combines a document or template from database or spreadsheet to create personalized, customized documents such as letters, mails, or reports. For example, if you want to, supposing you're at school and you are making students report cards, it does not require you to type in one report to another. No, just create a Word document and you use mail merging to work out this stuff. Okay, when we are doing mail merging, we can use many software applications. For example, we can use Microsoft Word, we can use Google and many others, but I personally am going to use Microsoft Word. By the way, the first requirement for us to do this mail merging one is have a PC, a personal computer, or you can even have your phone. Secondly, have Microsoft Word on your computer. For example, for me it is pinned here on my taskbar. So when I'm starting my mail merging, one is to create a document in Word. Yeah, create a document in Word. Come here, blank document, and you can type in here, but for the interest of time, for me, I've already created my document. First of all, you can create a document. For example, you have an invitation, you want to do an invitation letter, you are inviting people for your birthday, you're inviting people for an interview, inviting parents for a meeting. Come to Word and type in the letter you want. After typing in the letter, you can also create a table. Now, like for me, I'd already typed my letter. I can type in my letter is already here. My letter is here. You see, like the interest of my letter is to inform parents about fees payment. Like I want to remind parents that their children will be sent home for me. So I've already come up with my letter. This is how it reads. This is, dear parent, this is to inform me that your daughter or son, or but you realize that here I've not included the pupils names or class or what. So I just type out a plain letter like this one you're seeing on my desktop here. After, you can now, what do you want, what do you want to put in that letter? You come and create a table. Come and create a table here. Let me first drag this. So me, I had already created the letter and I typed in my letter, like a table. In my letter, I want to include the names of the pupils, their class, and the fees balance they are being demanded. So creating this table, I just came to insert. When you come here to insert, come to table. So in this table, you know like how many you want. This is where you do from the stuff. Get the table, and but you know mine is already there, so it's not my interest. After creating your table, now we are going to send. We are going to write this letter when it is containing all the students' names. Come to your letter you have already created on your desktop. Open that letter. My letter is already here. Now I'm going to start inserting the merge fields. Remember, we are seeing here home, insert, draw, design, layout, references, mailings, review, view, whatsoever. But here my interest is mailings. I want to do the mailing. Mailing meaning you are going to get one letter and you're going to send it to very many different recipients. See, that one letter, the same words: invitation to a wedding, to what, to graduation, but it is the same letter but having different people's names, other than doing it manually. Let's go there and see. Here we have start mail merge. We have envelopes, labels, start mail merge, select recipients. These ones you said are inactive fields. So I come to select recipients. We have here type a new list or use an existing list. I guess I'm going to use an existing list to save time. And here I'll come to my desktop. We are seeing here desktop, to look for my table I've created already. It's here. Open it. After I've opened my table, then I'll go to insert merge field. You see, after me opening the table, I realize that these buttons are now active. So I go to insert merge field. You see, remember in my table I'd put the name, class, which. So here I just click. You realize that these are the merge fields, like the names of the pupils I want, their classes, and the fees balance. So come and click. You have name, class. So this letter is to inform you that your daughter or son. Then here, I think this is where I want the name of the pupil to be. So I come to insert merge field. Name. See, it is there. Of St. Mary's Junior School. In which class is that pupil? Come and put the cursor here. Go to insert merge field. You put the name of the class. Will be sent home on Monday. Clear a fees balance of. Remember, we are reminding the parent to clear fees. Fees balance. I've finished putting in what I want, like what I want to put here. They are not. They are finished inserting in the merge field. Then after inserting in the merge field, we can now start mail merge. Then after realizing that we have seen here the name is here, class, and the fees balance, can finish merge. Finish the merge. So after inserting in our merge fields here, we go to preview results. In preview results, you realize like preview results. After previewing the results, you can now check and see, have the names gone there. Like we realize here, like the names I've put in my table. That one is to Nyonyi Ntono Aisha. That one is to Obotoni. Then Akot Anna, Wire Emma, Nangobi, Abasharon. So we realize that we keep on. Have they all received this letter? And they are all having the different fees balances we are demanding them. In fact, this is a very easier way. It is an easier way of doing these things, other than you sitting in the office there for 24 hours. You are typing each and everyone's letter. I advise all of us to start using mail merging. You see, I've done my thing in less than even 10 minutes. It is very quick, it is efficient, it is very, very interesting. So everyone should start using mail merging. Mail merging is time saving. You can't spend a full day in the office. We are typing letters to over 1,000 students in an organization or a school, or you want to send invitation letters to people. We can't type 1,000 letters in a day. But when we use mail merging, you will give all the people in a very small time. Then also mail merging helps maintain data consistency in an organization, meaning your information will be up to date. It also reduces on the costs you'll be using to pay people to do what. In fact, mail merging will send one letter to over many different over 1,000 people, but the very later without even mistakes. I request that we all embrace mail merging, and I encourage all of us to start mail merging in our workplaces, in our homes, in our everyday life. Thanks for following my YouTube channel. It is a pleasure and engaging being with you people. Remember to share, subscribe, and like my videos. If you have any comment, you want to ask any question, go to the comment section. I welcome all your comments, please. So after we have done, you can finish the merge. You can either print the document out or you can edit anything. You see, merge to new document. That is it. Thanks for following and viewing my channel. Bye bye.